Computer science videos here today to show you guys the opening and the review of the Comfast USB Wi-Fi extender. Without further ado, let us get into the video. As we can see on screen now, we have the packaging itself. Let's now get into the packaging. Anything else in the packaging? Absolutely not. We can move this to the side. And here is what we receive when we spend about £10 on eBay for a Wi-Fi extender, Comfast 1300 Mbps dual band wireless adapter, high speed dual band USB 3 and a strong signal. Let's get into the packaging. This is what we want, what we have. We also receive a CD that allows us to install the software on our machine and then connect via the USB connector. And so, that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in the next tutorial video unboxing. Thanks for now.